Wendy Wolf by Peppa Pig. Toot, 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 toot. This is Peppa's friend, Wendy Wolf. Wendy lives next door. My daddy built your house, says Peppa. Wendy nods. It is made of bricks. Peppa likes going round to Wendy's house. Can you push me on the swing? Asks Peppa. No, says Wendy. I'll huff and I'll puff you instead. Wendy is very good at blowing bubbles. Bubbles are so pretty, says Wendy. They pop when you touch them. Peppa laughs. Wendy has a nice granny. She is called Granny Wolf. Peppa has a nice granny. She is called Granny Pig. Hello, my dears, says Granny Pig. Peppa has lots of fun with her friend Wendy. They laugh and play together during the day. And in the nighttime, too. Peppa loves Wendy Wolf. Everyone loves Wendy Wolf. The end. See you guys next time.